Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. So we take a look at the XRP price structure here. Obviously, we had a pump. We have a pump due to the crypto strategic reserve tweet that you probably have seen. This is not the video to discuss this. We take a look at price structure. The bullish count is playing out. If you watched the previous video, then you know that we were and still are looking for higher prices. I mentioned it only in yesterday's video that we saw a 5-wave pattern to the upside, which was our first indication that a low had indeed formed. And then from there, 5 waves up, 3 waves down, here another 1-2 setup. This was pretty much in the making in the last update, so we were questioning or wondering, okay, is this the larger one? Do we get a larger 2 or is this it? But either way, the idea was that, we could have bottomed there. And then you get bearish sentiment like that, because there was a lot of bearish sentiment typically at the end of a wave 2 correction. People are typically quite bored or even scared, bearish, and then you have sentiment like that, which is the perfect sentiment for an upside reversal, which we were watching for. But well, I didn't expect a catalyst like that on Sunday, but it's great. It's a great surprise, and these are often great catalysts. So you have bearish sentiment hit a chart like that. No, sorry. You have bearish sentiment get that matches or that meets a catalyst like that for rising prices in a still bullish structure, because the price perfectly reacted to the 78.6 FIB level, and it's the perfect recipe of a rally or for a rally. So what are we dealing with? I mean, the structure hasn't changed, right? The structure has not changed at all. We have this 1-2 setup here. The wave 2 is an ABC structure. We talked about that. Don't need to repeat all of that. The wave 2 is a 5-wave move. The C wave in the wave 2 is a 5-wave move. And it completed where it needed to complete. And then 5 waves up, 3 waves down. And this here seems to be a 3rd wave in the making. And a lot of coins have 5 waves up now locally, right? Not only because of the catalyst, no, those 5 waves to the upside, they already formed yesterday. So Elliott wave told us we can consider at least that a low is in. And then you get the catalyst that obviously now lets this play out. Now the question is, okay, what is now support? Because this is clearly only a 3-wave move to the upside now overall, but probably a larger impulse is developing. Obviously, this can extend. I'm not here to tell you where this is now going to end, because we need to let the market stabilize. There will be this initial pump, and then the first decent pullback will be the stress test for the bulls. Currently, support is located between $2.41 and $2.48. So this is key support now for a possible 4th wave. As long as we're holding 241, the focus can now be on higher prices. The resistance level is here at 284. You know that this here was our breakout line, signal line at 236. We said this is the next breakout point. Any move above that, and we can watch for the price to get to 283. Happened very, very quickly. Getting above that will make us watch for $3.40. And overall, my view is still that we should overall get into the region of like $5, $6 plus, yeah. Whatever's happening here right now is still happening within the broader February range. So next objective for the bulls is really to take the price above 284. Honestly, I will keep this video short. There's lots of work to do now. It's going to be a long day for me, as you can imagine. But it's no change. So we have now the catalyst that led to a breakout, but the breakout is still in 3 waves, and we're still in a broader range. So this level needs to be broken next, 284. That would be a bit of a game changer on the chart. I would expect this to happen sooner or later anyway. And this is a realistic and plausible scenario as long as we're holding above $2.41. So good reaction to support. Nice rally in what would be a 3rd wave, which is what you expect after a 1-2 setup. And now we just need to see how the price reacts to 284. Situation is very dynamic. Lots of volatility there now. Support levels are defined. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. By the way, today at 5 p.m. we've got our member live stream. So pretty much in like 55 minutes, I'm sure there will be lots of charts we're going to look at, lots of requests. And if you are not a member yet and you want to join and check it out, there is a, on our X profile, you can find a voucher code for the first month. It's 50% off. So if you just want to try the membership, we don't offer a free first month because there's lots of content you get, like lifetime stuff that has been put together over the recent years. But you can try it for 50% off for the first month, and maybe you can then join our membership live stream today already. Check it out. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.